Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a knife printed short skirt. Now, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, we'll be using this fabric for the tutorial. You need a fabric, you need a matching thread. Now, to determine the fabric I will use, the waist measurement is 22 inches times 3 will give me 66 inches. So I'll measure 66 inches. The skirt using 1/4 difference. You can see each of them 1/4. I'll go to my sewing machine now and sew through each of them, and I'll go ahead and pleat. It's optional. If you like, you can leave it like that, or you can. I want to pleat it down by 3 inches. That is top stitching the pleat by 3 inches. So I'll pleat it, each of them. After sewing through this way, I'll still pleat each of them, pleat 3-inch length. After sewing from the waistline, I'll go ahead and top stitch the pleat like 3 inches. It's optional. If you like, you can leave it like that, but I want to top stitch the pleat by 3 inches. So each of them, I'm going to top stitch 3 inches. After doing that, I'll show you the next thing I will do. Now I'm top stitching the pleat. I measure 4 inch. Just mark depending on how many you want. If you want 3 inch, you can see the top stitching. I've already pleated it and I went ahead to top stitch. So you just mark how many inches you want. If you want 3 inches, you mark. If you want 4 inches, you mark. So I mark 4 inches now. This is 4 inches. You just mark it. Place it on your machine. Just the tip of the pleat. You're just sewing the tip of the pleat. Just hold it like so. Then I will back stitch. Can see how the back will look. I pleated it and I went ahead and secured the pleat by top stitching. Now I've pleated it and top stitch. So the next step now to take is to put the band. I'll keep the skirt at side. Now for the band, I'll measure 2.5 inches by 24 inches. So the width is 2.5. This is 2.5 inches. Then the length will be 24 inches. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now I'll open it up, right side facing the wrong side. I'll first sew from the back. I'll go to my sewing machine now and sew straight. After then, I'll then top stitch from the front. But let me go and sew it first. I've sewn it from the back. I'll then top stitch just with 1/2 inch. I'll close it up like that and top stitch it. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've attached the band. The next thing I will do before the zip is to hem the down part. I just take small inch. I'll use 1/2 inch to hem the down part. So after then, I will show you the next thing I will do. Now I've hemmed the downside. So the last thing to do now, close it up and fix the zip. After then, I will now show you the picture of how it will look after sewing. So guys, this is the final look of the skirt. Can see how it looks. I pleated 4 inches instead of 3 inches. So I top stitch it to 4 inches here. So this is the back. The zip will be by the side. You can use either this place or this place to be the front. So guys, I hope the video is helpful. Just try yours. It's very simple and easy to achieve. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Share to your friends, give it a thumbs up and drop your comment. Any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Bye until I see you in my next video.